See,
like, Mike's like, oh my god. Like, I mean, they're like weaving. And so then you, house and broke her hip.
I'm just gonna add crazy sound effects.
Like,
Really, she's some like they looked really well. I've been doing the darkest black. I'm spreading it bright line.
next thing we go to this with the meat. The picture you see that.
You're ready.
My hair.
Really?
Yeah.